Hello, this is Nick Saint-Erne, and today I'll be making some Japanese preserved vegetables, or Tsukemono. The specific recipe I'll be using comes from a book called Japanese Cooking by Susan Fuller Slack, and it is the quick radish pickles, or Daikon Zuki. The original recipe calls for using just Daikon radishes, but I'm using cucumbers, carrots, radishes, hot pepper, and the Daikon. I also used a 4-inch square piece of kombu, which is a dried kelp seaweed. The Ben Reiner mandolin slicer is perfect for getting the exact size wafers of each vegetable that you need. The vegetables are all sliced and then placed into a bowl and mixed with a 1/4 cup of sea salt. You want to coat each of the vegetable pieces with the salt and then place over the top of the vegetables a plate that is small enough that it will push down on the vegetables. And I used a weight on top. Traditionally these can be stones. Handy in the kitchen I used my flour canister, put that on top of the plate, which put pressure on the vegetables, and then I let that sit overnight. The next day, the vegetables had released a lot of clear fluid, which I drained off, and now they're ready to start pickling. The pickling solution is made with 1 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of rice vinegar, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar. I did not add any salt into the pickling solution because the vegetables were already covered with the salt and I didn't want it to get too salty. So the mixture is boiled, and then once everything has dissolved and it's boiling, you can put the pickles in a clean, sterilized pickle jar and then pour the hot pickling solution over the top of it.